We are star. Real star.
What are you doing with the goat?
I'm just preventing it from nasting up the house.
Junior say, what you doing with the goat?
I want to sell it. Oh yes, Uncle Joe coming around about 11 o'clock to carry to driving, okay?
Oh Lord, I forget. Give me the car key.
For what reason? You can't learn to drive with a Benz. You need a car for that. A car like Uncle Joe Wreck Tech.
Why can't I learn to drive off the Benz? As you call it? Because when I get my license, that's what I'm going to be driving.
You wish.
But I you're bright.
No, me dark. Mommy, let me tell you this. A car is a car. A Benz is a Benz. There's a big difference.
Sometimes I wonder if you know the difference between a goat and a baby. Just go for the car key, man. Sometimes you chat too much.
This is the ignition key. What it name?
Ignition key. Look here, Joe. Don't bother start deal with me like some is a picnic, you know, man. The ignition key is to start the car, right?
Yeah.
And when you're going to shut off the car, you use the same ignition key to shut it off.
Beatrice, you have to humble yourself, you know. Bees was trying to teach was how to make honey. And because was never humble, all him could have make his comb. Now you follow my instructions to the T.
Aye, man, sure.
All right.
Start
now,
it then.
Start the engine. Second.
Right.
Now put on the handbrake. Squeeze it something on the top.
Listen
now. Mind your papa have me so. Sure. All right.
Yes.
Now keep your foot on the brakes. All right. Slowly now, put the car into gear. Drive that down to the D. And if you daylight, that a drive, yes. Hey! What? All right. Take your time, circle.
And it depends on the D now.
Now slowly press the gas and take your foot off of the brakes. Slowly.
The gas other one there.
The liquor one.
The liquor.
Yeah. Hold up your head and press the gas.
Give me enough to look which back the brake.
Now you can see the road.
When me take my foot off, let me look up.
Slowly, take your time. All right, easy.
Oh, Joe, you're frightened me, you know, man.
Joe.
I hear you're having a party.
I'm having a party.
Funny. You and Jonathan Naki party?
No, man, a long time thing that, man.
Alright, gone.
Yeah,
We think
yeah.
of fresh thing.
No, man. So, you have something ready?
I always have something ready. You know what song I have?
I go in the vicing room then.
Alright. Ready. Astatious. Yeah. Woo! Gotta get it. Get it. Gotta get it. Get it. Gotta get it started. It's time to set the place on fire. Fire. Gotta get it started. It's time to raise the temperature high. Woo! Can you imagine when the bass it's a pump and the rhythm it's a move, make your body start jump when the man them a dance on a full pace, so while the girl them get mad start shake up the room. Move it, catch a beat. Tear down the club, wild up on the street. Can't stand still, can't control the beat. Every man grab a gun, one like dog in a heat.
You may be seated. For the sake of this humble court, I must inform you that this is a preliminary hearing. Charmaine Dugal, otherwise called Monigal, also known as Dallas Dugal, is answering to charges of fraudulent conversion of cash to the tune of $2 million, stolen property, as has been detailed in Schedule A2 in the body of evidence provided so far for this case. Mr. Winston Grabsy, you are hereby answering to charges of accessory to the fact. The prosecution will now present its case.
What is your profession, Miss Dugal?
I'm a businesswoman.
And what kind of business do you own or operate?
I do business with Mr. Grabsy in the entertainment industry.
Work we do. Your Honor, I don't know this woman from Adam, sir.
Mr. Grabsy, you moron! Do you realize that this is a court of law?
Yes, sir. I'm sorry, sir.
Sorry? That is a blatant contempt of my court. Do you have a legal counsel?
No, sir.
Well, I implore you to get one, as such volcanic outbursts will not be tolerated inside here. That behavior is reserved for Parliament. Now the prosecution may proceed.
Thank you, Your Honor. How long have you known the accused?
About 4 years.
How would you describe your relationship with your boyfriend, Mr. Grabsy?
Objection, Your Honor. Counsel is leading the witness.
I will rephrase that question, Your Honor. Is Mr. Grabsy your boyfriend?
Yes, and we are deeply in love.
Your Honor, could I use the toilet, sir?
That is if you are willing to come back and find that you are sentenced to 5 years in prison.
Your Honor, I have a medical condition. Sir, I have to use the bathroom.
All right. Court is adjourned until 3 this afternoon.
Thank you, Your Honor.
So long now you've been a DJ?
From ever since. We eat, sleep, and drink music.
That did wicked, you know.
Thank you.
Let me take this call.
Alright.
Hello? Yeah. Is today's the court date? Shall I never knew it would come so quick. Alright. Soon come.
Okay. So you have to leave.
Yes. Sorry about that. But you can come back next week.
Alright. Thanks, yeah?
So, you have decided to conduct your own defense, Mr. Grabsy.
Yes, Your Honor, I have no other choice, sir.
You may proceed.
Yes, sir. I would like to call Mr. Benzly Hype to the stand, sir. Mr. Hype, do you know me?
Yes.
And how do you know me?
That's a trick question. You manage my group.
In your heart of hearts, do you think I'm capable of committing fraud?
No.
No further question, Your Honor.
Do you have any other witnesses, Mr. Grabsy?
Yes, Your Honor. I would like to call my co-defendant to the stand. Sir. Miss Charmaine, you're looking rather splendid today. Do you agree?
I always look splendid.
So, Miss Charmaine, you said you have known me for a long time. Do you remember the day we met?
Yes.
So, where in Westmoreland was I living when we met?
You're living in Kingston.
Are you guessing, or is it a fact?
Do you take me for an idiot?
Allow the lawyer to ask questions, Miss Dugal. You are here to answer them.
Yes, you are always living in Kingston.
I came to Kingston 2 years ago. Before that, I was living in St. James, working as an entertainment coordinator at a big hotel, and I have papers to prove it. As a matter of fact, Your Honor, that lady that just walked in, I've known her much longer than you, and that's a few months ago. Do you still think that you have known me for 4 years?
Respect, man, respect. You pass the case. Respect. Hold on, man. Go ahead and mash it up.
Hey,
Yeah.
yo, I know we are going to need the gold more than ever.
Camera, action started. Run out of gas, try push, no park it. No problem, a Jamaican talk it. We get a couple million now we on the target. You ever think what you would do if you get this money? Me that buy your house, a car. Me the girl. We are star. Real star.
It's official Benzly Hype Stars. Yeah, my bro. I'm a G, bless up, you know. We're there, son. If you want Me and Mi KRU stuff, just click the link here. See, you want Benzly Hype videos, click the link here. Innocent Kru stuff, click the link there. You understand? This is the official video, so subscribe. One of the new things. You see me, I say, we're there, I don't know. Been away for a minute, but we're back. So follow me now. Don't know. See?